Oh my god, y'all, you go, girl. What's going on, y'all? What's happening? No, I'm just kidding. It's your girl Day here again, shockingly. And today, some of you guys may know, or can tell, I live in a RV. Some people on TikTok have been wondering how I operate in the kitchen. I do have a full-size stove, full-sized oven and stove, but it's gas, and I've never dealt with a gas stove or oven. So I have myself a air fryer, specifically Paris Hilton. I thought today, since I was craving like some sort of sweet treat, I thought maybe I would make a peach cobbler just in time for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's coming up. For those who, like, you know, live alone, but like sometimes, you know, it's nice to be to yourself and you never may know what you might crave. So I'm going to be making peach cobbler in my loaf ceramic dish. So I'm excited. Yeah. So the recipe that I'm using today, I got it off TikTok actually, and I'll actually insert it here, and I'll insert it in the link below in case you guys want to see it yourself. But I'm basically going off her recipe, and yeah. The first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna open our peaches. You're supposed to drain your peaches first. So I want to drain some peach juice into a container, into a shot glass, and save some so I can use it as like a topping, like a syrup topping. I have my peaches drained now, and we're going to go ahead. Now we're going to dump our peaches in the container.
Wow.
Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of cinnamon on them. Now, the lady was like, to your heart's desire. So my heart desired a lot of cinnamon. So I know I'm making a peach cobbler, but I kind of like to mash in my peaches a little bit. So like spiced peaches. I'm gonna put some butter in here and melt it and drizzle some of it onto the peaches, and then we're gonna drizzle some of it onto the cake mix. Now we got the melted butter. Just drizzle like a scoop of it. I'm not a professional, guys. I'm not a professional. All right, so now I'm gonna take my yellow cake mix and just take a little bit of it. This is what it should look like. I'm going to like pat it down a little bit because it's supposed to bake into a loaf. Wow! Now I'm gonna do a little bit of the peach syrup. So I'm gonna pour some of this on it, and I'm gonna pour some butter with it as well. I'm also now gonna preheat my air fryer to 320. We are now putting the cobbler in the air fryer. So here's the cobbler. We're just gonna place it in just like this. And hopefully the container does not have spontaneous combustion. There's 8 minutes left, and I want to see what it looks like. So we're gonna peek. Y'all, holy crap, that actually looks delicious. Okay, but it's not done. You can tell it's not done. It just looks, yeah. This is like maybe my like 5th time making this. This is my go-to. Like, this is something I practiced and I practiced and I practiced until I could perfect it. My next baked dish or whatever, I want it to be brownies. Like, every brownie recipe I see, the brownies still are like raw in the middle. So like everywhere else, crusts up or whatever, cakes up, but like the brownie in the middle just stays raw. Ooh. I'm still figuring it out. But let me know if you guys want to see that. Let me know if you guys want to see me make brownies. I'm down to make brownies. I swear, guys, my face was never this fat. What in the double chin? My face is normally like, yeah. This peach cobbler is not helping. The cobbler is done now. So let's take a look for the grand reveal. Okay. So I'm guessing that's like a syrup. I think it looks good. There still are like a little areas. This is gonna turn into a glaze and it's gonna be really good. Listen to the sound. Do y'all hear that? This is about to be a banger. All right, guys. The cobbler has been placed onto. Yummy. This is the beauty. My fingers. I'm really excited. I want to bust into it now. I just needed a piece. I needed one little piece. Like, I think there's too much juice in it, guys. I'm gonna let it sit a minute. Sit a minute. That's actually so good. I'm gonna just chill. No, I'm not. It's chilling.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So actually, y'all, I ended up getting distracted last night. My friends went to game, so I was too impatient to let it cool down and show y'all what it tasted like. But let me show let me show you guys the damage I did. So I ate half the loaf. It was good. It was really good. The one thing that I would say to do if you're gonna make this is to put some cake mix with the peaches and the syrup and mix it in just a little bit so the peaches can get caked up too. Because the top layer was more of a cake and then the bottom, I mean, what did I expect? That's how I did it. The bottom was just peaches with cinnamon and sugar. So if you're gonna do it, put some cake mix in the peaches too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't long at all. Just something for Thanksgiving. If you guys, if some of you out there are alone for Thanksgiving and still want to have a Thanksgiving treat, then a peach cobbler, that'll do it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all in the next one.